Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. And today we have another Diamond Art Club unboxing. I wasn't expecting anything to come in today because it's Sunday, so I wasn't expecting any mail or packages today. But this one was on the doorstep. So we're gonna unbox it. I haven't even taken it out of the outer box yet. I don't know which one this is. There should be two coming. Well, was expecting two between the next couple days. So there's one in here. Okay, this is the one I'm expecting all of them. Artist Room. But this one, for some strange reason, it shipped pretty quick when I first ordered it. And then within a day or two, it said it was going to be it was going to be delivered. And then it never got delivered. And then the next day it told me it was going to be delivered, and it never got delivered, and so on and so on. And now we are like, I think 4 days from when it said it was going to be delivered, and now it's finally delivered. I grabbed this one when it came back in stock. Here's the sticker. I know this is zoomed out. You really can't see the sticker, but you'll be able to see the canvas. Let's see if we get another rose again. Here's our washi tape. Blue background with flowers. Black squishy. Have a grayish black pen with sparkles. And looks like it's broken. We got a dolphin. So it's broke. I noticed that happens in a lot of people's videos, that they get broken ones. I don't know what kind of glue they're using. It's just not working. Okay, let's get to the canvas, which is what everybody is looking for. Oh, I gotta be careful with rolling this backwards. This is, I believe this one has the new perforated sheets on it. Plastic. All right, let me not really roll this. Yes, there's little perforated sheets. I think these are 4x4. I don't know if I will do the canvas like this. But here we go, from top to bottom. You got a girl in her craft room, art room, painting. Maybe she's diamond painting. Oh no, there's paint. There's a little Kirby down here. How cute. There's another one with a girl playing a claw machine game. I really want that one. And there's a witch's room one. This perforated sheet is very interesting. I was waiting to see when I was finally gonna get one. I don't think you can even see it on camera. Just a smidge. See that line? That's where you tear. And on somebody else's video that I watched, I believe these were like 4x4 squares, which is a small square for me. I work on a bigger square than that. My squares that I when I say I'm working on a square, is this size. So I work in sections of this size. Or double that. But this is a 42.6 by 52.7. So 42 by 52. This is really cute. A lot of pink. A lot of peachy colors. Areas of color blocking. Doesn't look like too much confetti, if any at all. This is probably going to be a joy to work on. 46 colors and 3 ABs. Today I will go through the diamonds with you. Because we only have one canvas. It's not like I'm doing like 8 canvases. So here's the picture, the big sticker, and our sticker sheet. Instructions, QR codes, and discount. I know, this probably irks people's souls that I waste the sticker on this, but trust me, it's easier for me having a lot more kits now to find what I'm looking, what I want to look for. So some browns, 2 bags of the brown, pale yellow, peach. Here's our first AB, a white. You know, I notice in a lot of kits they always give a white AB. I don't know why they don't go with any other colors. Sky blue, cream color, mauve. Sorry, I don't have my flash on. Oh, I can't put my flash on. Purple, pink, another purple, lighter purple. Here's another AB. This is like a peachy coral AB. Really pretty. Green. Ooh, hot pink. Here's our third AB, which is like a lighter green AB. And these are our smaller bags. Lots of pink. I love it. Some red. More green. Blues. Pinks. These don't have a lot of diamonds in them. Okay, guys. So that was our... Oh, we have one more. Here's this little short pack. No 3, you know, this is the first kit I've gotten that has no 310. I'm very shocked. All the outline, I think, is done in a brown. Okay, so I just paused it to put these back in. Not very neat, though. So here's our artist room kit. It's our pink-haired girl working on her painting with all her plants. I love it. I think it's really, really cute. This is a lot different. I haven't done anything like this before. And I think it's very interesting that they have the 4x4 squares in the cover sheet, the rip open. I might try one to try it, but honestly, I usually just take the entire cover sheet off and cover it in release papers. It's just easier for me. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed seeing another kit with my excessive spending. So, yeah, in the week to come, there should be more. All the way up until the 12th, maybe I should be having stuff come in. And if you haven't seen my older videos, then you don't know. But I did place my first order with Dreamer Designs. So I do have 3 kits coming in from Dreamer Designs whenever that happens. So we have a lot going on, you guys. So 46 colors, 42 by 52 artist room. This is by, oh, the artist is Mrs. Butter D. So never heard of I don't know too much about the artist. So But yeah, if you're enjoying the content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're returning, thank you for returning and your continued support. And without further ado, I hope you guys have a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.